This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to increase breast milk. First, ensure your baby latches well and feeds frequently, at least 8 to 12 times in a 24-hour period. This consistent stimulation is crucial for signaling your body to produce more milk. We'll also cover the importance of proper hydration and nutrition, which are fundamental for a healthy milk supply. Get ready to learn practical steps to support your breastfeeding journey. To effectively increase your supply, nurse your baby frequently, ideally 8 to 12 times every 24 hours, responding to their early hunger cues. After nursing, pump for 10 to 15 minutes to ensure your breasts are completely emptied, which signals your body to make more milk. You might also try power pumping once a day, which involves pumping for 10 minutes, resting for 10, and repeating for about 1 hour. This mimics cluster feeding and can significantly boost production. Your diet and hydration play a vital role in milk production. Aim to drink at least 10 to 12 glasses of water each day to stay well hydrated. Focus on a balanced diet rich in whole foods, ensuring you consume enough calories to support both your energy and milk supply. Additionally, try to get adequate rest and manage stress, as these factors can directly influence your body's ability to produce milk. Taking care of yourself is key. Remember, every breastfeeding journey is unique, so don't hesitate to seek personalized guidance from a lactation consultant if you need extra support. They can help identify specific challenges and offer tailored solutions. Also, be mindful of any medications you might be taking, as some can impact your milk supply. And hey, while you're taking care of yourself, check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Prioritizing your well-being is essential for a successful experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.